The latest development coming from the presidency has created fresh conversation across the country because many people were waiting to hear what the government would say about the situation surrounding Nnamdi Kanu. And now officials speaking for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu have made it clear that the administration believes the matter should continue through the legal process. A position that some people did not expect because there had been growing calls for a political solution. So as you listen to this update, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss any new information as events continue to unfold. What is interesting is that the tone coming from government circles sounds calm but firm, explaining that respecting the courts is important for stability. And according to people familiar with discussions inside the administration, the message is that decisions around the case must follow due process rather than sudden political announcements. And this has immediately sparked debate among supporters, critics, and neutral observers who are all trying to understand what this means going forward. So again, please like this video and subscribe because we will keep breaking everything down in simple terms. Many people across different regions have been watching closely because the case has come to represent more than just one individual. It has become part of a wider conversation about national unity, fairness, and how sensitive issues are handled. And in recent weeks, community voices have continued to appeal for calm, while also encouraging dialogue, showing that there is strong interest in seeing a resolution that brings reassurance to everyone. So if you appreciate clear updates like this, remember to like the video and subscribe. From what officials have explained, the presidency wants Nigerians to understand that there is a difference between political engagement and judicial decisions, and that while the government supports peaceful conversations, it must also allow legal institutions to do their work. And this explanation is what many people are describing as the response no one expected, because some had predicted a more direct intervention. So keep following closely. And do not forget to like this video and subscribe for more real-time updates. At the same time, discussions among analysts suggest that the government is also mindful of public sentiment, especially in areas where the issue has generated strong feelings and there is recognition that communication must be handled carefully to avoid misunderstanding, which is why statements have emphasized patience and respect for institutions. And if you want balanced coverage like this, please like and subscribe so you stay informed. Another point that has come up is the importance of maintaining calm across communities while conversations continue, with leaders encouraging people to focus on constructive engagement rather than speculation. And this reflects a broader effort to keep the national atmosphere steady while legal processes move forward. So once again, please like this video and subscribe because your support helps us continue bringing you clear explanations. Observers note that the presidency's position may also be aimed at reinforcing confidence in the rule of law, sending a signal that procedures will be followed carefully, and this approach is being interpreted in different ways depending on who you ask, with some seeing it as a sign of consistency and others hoping for additional steps that could open the door to reconciliation. So make sure you like and subscribe as we continue to track every angle. There is also growing discussion about how this development could influence political conversations in the coming months, especially as stakeholders reflect on ways to strengthen trust and cooperation. And many believe that open communication between leaders and communities will be essential in shaping the next phase. So if you find this analysis helpful, please like this video and subscribe right now. People close to the situation say that behind the scenes, there are ongoing consultations involving various voices who are interested in long-term stability. And while details are not always public, the general message is that careful consideration is being given to the wider impact of any decision, showing that the issue is being treated with seriousness. And again, remember to like and subscribe so you stay updated. Across social platforms, conversations continue to grow as citizens share their views, reflecting the diversity of opinion that exists on this matter. And this level of engagement highlights how closely Nigerians are following developments, which is why clear information is so important at a time like this. So please like the video and subscribe for continued coverage. Some commentators believe that the presidency's statement is intended to reassure both local and international observers that Nigeria remains committed to lawful procedures, while also leaving room for future discussions that could help ease tensions. And this balancing act is something many are watching carefully, so do not forget to like this video and subscribe. At the community level, leaders continue to call for peaceful dialogue and mutual understanding, emphasizing that patience will be important as events progress, and this message of calm is being repeated across different platforms to encourage a stable environment. So if you value thoughtful updates, please like and subscribe. Then the conversation is also prompting renewed reflection on how national issues are addressed through both legal frameworks and dialogue, with many people expressing hope that continued engagement will lead to outcomes that strengthen unity and confidence. And we will keep explaining every step clearly, so remember to like this video and subscribe. As reactions continue to come in, one thing is certain: the presidency's response has added a new layer to an already complex story, and people everywhere are paying attention to what happens next, whether through court proceedings, further statements, or broader discussions among stakeholders. So stay with us by liking the video and subscribing. For now, the key takeaway is that officials are emphasizing patience, respect for institutions, and ongoing communication, while the wider public continues to watch closely, and this moment serves as a reminder of how important careful leadership and clear information are during sensitive times. So once again, please like this video and subscribe so you remain fully informed.